This is AEO flight simulating system used to control the model by the joystick instead of the radio. First of all, we must have a main transmitter. Okay, the transmitter and the model works well. The system comes with two cables with different port. One is square and the other is round. It's for connecting to the training port. We use the square port, and then connect to the silver cable. Then you can see there are 4 ports on the FPV system 1.5 main board. A is for head tracker, B is for main transmitter, C and D is for joystick or another radio. So we must connect the silver cable on the training port to port B. And C and D is for joystick and another radio, so we can connect the joystick to C or D. Now we can connecting to the C port. And turn on the main transmitter. You can see there are some data in the main box. Keep pressing the button for more than 1 second. And then the mainboard displays the setting. Because the default setting is mode 1, so we set M1 mode 1 channel 1 to C1 and press the button. M1 channel 2 to C2 and press the button. C3 channel 1 to C3. M1 channel 4 to C4 and press the button to save. We just set 4 channels for the receivers on the model. We should turn on the training switch before we use the joystick to controlling the model. Okay, the training switch was turned on, and the main transmitter cannot control, but the joystick. You can also set another channel combination named mode 2. This is the 8 channel for mode 1 and 8 channels for mode 2. You can set another channel combination for mode 2, and we can switch between mode 1 and mode 2. For more details, please check the manuals of our joystick system.